Welcome to beginner crow. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna work on crow, and I'm assuming maybe you're not strong enough to do it. So this is how we're gonna get there. Is we're gonna plant the hands, and then the elbows are slightly bent. We're gonna put the knees on them, and then we're gonna lift one foot at a time. Okay. Now, the key here is don't just go through the motions. Grab the ground like this. Watch. You see that? I'm putting a lot of pressure. I'm grabbing the ground with my fingertips. I'm squeezing my lat, okay? And then when I'm coming up here, I'm not just resting my knees on there. I am literally doing hollow body and pulling my core through my spine, through my back to simulate pulling up and floating from my core. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm making it hard on myself so that I can build the technique and the strength to do the movement. I'm not just going through the motions. Really get that. Squeeze the ground and one leg up. All the while my core is pulling. Pull. One knee, one foot up, other foot up. Pull your core up. Squeeze your arms. Good. Now, if you don't remember hollow body, go back to hollow body and practice it, where you're doing an L sit or laying down with your feet up, and you're pulling your core towards the spine. You're pulling your core towards the ground. Now, if you don't remember the hollow body, remember or go back to it where you're laying down, legs are up at a 90, and you're pulling your belly button towards the ground. You're pressuring the ground, okay?